since we have worked for many things together, डॉक्टराक रिटायरमेंट असंच ना. म्हजें पर्सनल मत, कित्याक डॉक्टर हो समाजाचो एक समाजसेवक कसो. सो
हं.
म्हजें बी तशेंच जालें. आय रिटायर्ड ऑन 30th June, and then from 2nd or 3rd July I joined my clinic with my son, who is also an orthopedic surgeon, and I started serving people. Not a single day I have taken 24 hours off, and that is how is my retired life. But for those who retire without having any kind of a fixed profession, I would request them, even if you retire, see that you don't change your schedule. Remain same way as you were when you were on job, and see that somehow you don't get into that boredom. So that is what I am trying to do. My time gets literally busy. I also keep giving lectures. I go to people to give opinions. I visit hospitals, and this is how I spend my retired life.